So meth cleaning itself, there's a guidance that the EPA puts out. Also, the state of Minnesota has a cleanup guidance, and the guidance is written more so for a professional to handle. However, people can try and do DIY meth cleaning itself. But what I'm finding is when someone tells me they've done it themselves, they might have us come and do a post-cleaning test. And oftentimes those tests come back and it still shows some sort of meth. And the reason is the people that aren't trained kind of focus, in my opinion, they focus on what's in front of them. They think, okay, I'm just gonna clean the wall or I'm gonna remove these carpets. Well, there's still more to it. What's behind the casing or the trim or on the door. The ceiling is a big one. People really always forget about the ceiling. Does it need to be scraped? Does it need to be encapsulated? And are they using the right chemicals? So DIY, can it be done? Yes. But in the end, I feel like the people that try and do that are gonna spend more time and more money having to possibly redo it in the end. So you're better off just hiring a company up front, put the liability on that company to make sure it's done right. And one of the things you could do if you're worried about having it done by professionals is to make sure that they're trained and certified and fully insured. And do your own due diligence, but I strongly suggest you hire a company to do it.